is product D1929, large ornate Lichfield lever door handle. This is a Croft product. Croft makes some exceptional high quality pieces. All Croft products are British made. They can produce this item in over 20 different finishes, from brass, nickel, chrome and many more, so please visit our website for more finishes available. This particular shade is in polished brass unlacquered. The length of this product is 210mm, the width is 50mm, and the protrusion is 57mm. This type is a latch. We do other types on our website, so please go and have a look, as we have the locks and also bathrooms. All Croft products come with fixtures that match the finish of your product. As you can see, the screws are also in polished brass unlacquered, so it'll blend beautifully together. The spindle is 155mm. This beautiful product is very traditional looking and will look stunning in your home.